Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're unveiling 7 new models you can't afford to ignore in 2025. Number 7. Hyundai Ioniq 7. Hyundai continues to push the boundaries of electric vehicle technology with the introduction of the Ioniq 7. This new model promises to offer a futuristic look, advanced features, and impressive range, making it a standout in the electric SUV market. The Hyundai Ioniq 7 is expected to offer a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, along with ultra-fast charging capabilities that make it practical for both daily driving and long road trips. This impressive range, combined with Hyundai's commitment to innovation and quality, makes the Ioniq 7 a compelling choice for those looking for a forward-thinking vehicle. The Ioniq 7 features a powerful electric motor that delivers smooth and quiet performance, with ample torque for brisk acceleration. The SUV's advanced battery technology ensures long range and fast charging, while the regenerative braking system helps to maximize efficiency. The Ioniq 7's all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction and stability, making it a versatile choice for various driving conditions. The Hyundai Ioniq 7 represents a glimpse into the future of driving, combining advanced technology, impressive range, and a bold design. Its blend of performance, efficiency, and innovation makes it a must-have for anyone looking to embrace the future of electric vehicles. Number 6. Porsche Macan EV. Porsche is set to make a significant impact in the electric SUV market with the introduction of the Macan EV. This new model promises to deliver the driving experience that Porsche is known for, along with the environmental benefits of an electric vehicle. The Porsche Macan EV is expected to provide the same thrilling driving dynamics as the traditional Macan but with zero emissions. This combination of performance and sustainability makes it a compelling choice for those who want a luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on environmental responsibility. The Macan EV's stylish design and advanced technology are sure to attract a wide range of buyers. Under the hood, the Macan EV features a powerful electric motor that delivers brisk acceleration and smooth, quiet performance. Porsche's engineering expertise ensures that the Macan EV offers precise handling and a dynamic driving experience, even on winding roads. The SUV's low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, further enhances its stability and cornering abilities. The Porsche Macan EV represents a new era of sustainable performance, combining the best of Porsche's driving dynamics with the benefits of electric power. Its impressive range, advanced technology, and stylish design make it a must-have for anyone looking to embrace the future of driving. Number 5. Chevrolet Silverado EV. Chevrolet is set to redefine the electric truck market with the introduction of the Silverado EV. This new model promises to deliver the capability and performance that Silverado is known for, along with the environmental benefits of an electric vehicle. The Chevrolet Silverado EV is expected to offer up to 400 miles of range on a full charge, making it a practical choice for both work and play. This impressive range, combined with the Silverado's rugged capability and advanced technology, makes the Silverado EV a standout in the electric truck market. The Silverado EV's stylish design and powerful performance are sure to attract a wide range of buyers. Under the hood, the Silverado EV features a powerful electric motor that delivers ample torque and smooth, quiet performance. The truck's advanced four-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability, while the regenerative braking system helps to maximize efficiency. The Silverado EV's impressive towing and payload capacities make it a versatile choice for both work and recreational use. The Chevrolet Silverado EV represents a new frontier in the electric truck market, combining the best of Silverado's capability and performance with the benefits of electric power. Its impressive range, advanced technology, and rugged design make it a must-have for anyone looking to embrace the future of driving. Number 4. BMW i5. BMW continues to expand its electric lineup with the introduction of the i5. This new model promises to deliver the luxury and performance that BMW is known for, along with the environmental benefits of an electric vehicle. The BMW i5 is expected to offer up to 350 miles of range, making it a practical choice for both city driving and long road trips. This impressive range, combined with BMW's signature driving dynamics and luxury features, makes the i5 a standout in the electric vehicle market. The i5's stylish design and advanced technology are sure to attract a wide range of buyers. The i5 features a powerful electric motor that delivers brisk acceleration and smooth, quiet performance. The car's low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, ensures excellent handling and stability. The i5's regenerative braking system helps to maximize efficiency, while the fast charging capability means you can quickly recharge and get back on the road. The BMW i5 represents a new era of driving, combining the best of BMW's luxury and performance with the benefits of electric power. Its impressive range, advanced technology, and stylish design make it a must-have for anyone looking to embrace the future of driving. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is an iconic name in the world of off-roading, and it's making a triumphant return to North America. Known for its rugged durability and luxurious features, the new Land Cruiser is expected to be a hit among adventure seekers and luxury SUV enthusiasts. The new Toyota Land Cruiser is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain, combining robust performance with improved fuel efficiency. This blend of power and efficiency makes it a compelling choice for those who want a capable off-roader that can also handle everyday driving with ease. The Land Cruiser's legendary reliability and off-road prowess are sure to attract a wide range of buyers. Under the hood, the new Land Cruiser is expected to feature a hybrid V6 engine that delivers ample power for both on-road and off-road adventures. The SUV's advanced four-wheel drive system, along with features like crawl control and multi-terrain select, ensures it can tackle any terrain with confidence. The Land Cruiser's robust chassis and high ground clearance make it a true off-road beast. The return of the Toyota Land Cruiser to North America is highly anticipated, and for good reason. Its blend of rugged capability, luxurious features, and advanced technology makes it a must-have for anyone looking for a versatile and reliable SUV. Number 2. Ford Mustang Mach-E GT Performance Edition. Ford's Mustang Mach-E has already made waves as an electric SUV with the soul of a sports car. The GT Performance Edition takes it a step further, offering improved handling and a more refined interior, all while delivering exhilarating performance. The Mach-E GT Performance Edition is designed for those who crave performance without compromising on practicality. With 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds, this SUV offers sports car-level acceleration. The updated suspension and enhanced braking system ensure precise handling, making it a joy to drive on both the track and the road. Under the hood, the Mach-E GT Performance Edition features a dual-motor setup that delivers up to 480 horsepower and 634 lb-ft of torque. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction, while the MagneRide damping system ensures a smooth and responsive ride. The car's low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, further enhances its stability and cornering abilities. The Ford Mustang Mach-E GT Performance Edition is more than just an electric SUV. It's a true performer that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Its blend of speed, handling, and practicality makes it a must-have for enthusiasts and families alike. Number 1. Tesla Model 3 Facelift. Tesla has been a dominant force in the electric vehicle market, and the Facelift Model 3 is set to reinforce its position. With enhanced battery performance and longer range options, the Model 3 continues to be a top choice for those seeking an eco-friendly yet high-performing vehicle. The Tesla Model 3 Facelift is expected to surpass 400 miles on a single charge, setting a new standard for range in the EV market. This improvement is a significant leap forward, making the Model 3 an even more practical option for long-distance driving. The updated design also features subtle aesthetic enhancements, giving the car a refreshed and modern look. The Model 3 Facelift offers impressive acceleration, with the performance variant reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The car's dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures excellent handling and stability, while the regenerative braking system helps to maximize efficiency. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving capabilities continue to be industry-leading, providing a glimpse into the future of autonomous driving. The Tesla Model 3 Facelift is not just a car. It's a statement about the future of driving. With its impressive range, cutting-edge technology, and sleek design, The Model 3 facelift is a must-have for anyone looking to embrace the electric revolution. Whether you're looking for an electric vehicle, a high-performance SUV, or a luxury car, these 7 models are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive insights and reviews. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know which car you're most excited about. Thanks for watching.